Clare and Kate London is being promoted as a stylish boutique fashion brand with a premium London-inspired identity. But the real question is whether it's an actual local boutique or just another online store using London branding. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. London does have many real boutique stores with strong identity, physical locations, and curated collections. However, here's the key point. There is little to no verifiable evidence that Clare and Kate London operates as a real, established London boutique. There are some surface-level positives. Clean, modern website design, trendy, minimalist clothing styles, London branding that suggests authenticity. But this is where things start to get questionable. The biggest issue is lack of real-world presence. No confirmed physical store, showroom, or verifiable address in London. Legitimate boutiques usually have a traceable location, history, or press coverage. Another concern is brand transparency. No clear founders, company background, or fashion industry presence. Limited independent reviews or third-party validation. So, is Clare and Kate London a real local store or just marketing? Short answer, likely marketing-driven. It appears to be a real website, but not a confirmed or established London boutique. The branding leans heavily on the London image without strong proof behind it. Bottom line, Clare and Kate London fits the pattern of many modern online fashion stores that use location-based branding to appear more premium than they are. It may still function as a store, but expectations around authenticity, quality, and service should be cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.